Okay guys, welcome back, another video. Today we have MacBook Pro A2442. That's the 14-inch, I believe 2021. And it's not turning on. So we have, it's stuck at 5 volts and it's not drawing any current, almost 30-40 milliamps, then go to zero. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so basically this can be caused by many things. Failed update, firmware issue, T2 chip issue, battery issue, liquid spill, if you dropped it. It's just very random. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it, and we can go from there. Okay, now it's open. Let's take a look at the board. I mean, the board looks in mint condition. Yep, looks perfectly fine. Okay, back again. A brief phone call. Okay, just take it easy with this cable. They can be damaged easily. Now let's check again. Still same thing, stuck at 5 volts and nothing happened. Let's take some measurement. That should be fine. No voltage at all. Let's check for short actually on the main power rail. Okay, so we do have a short. Okay, that's not super good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I mean, I hate to remove this board. Just so many screws, so many things to take out, so many cables. Let's just go inspect. Let's see. Short on the main power rail could indicate anything, including a shorted capacitor, which I'm hoping. Okay, let's check. Let's just inject some voltage first. I almost hit myself. Okay, so let's get the power supply. We're gonna inject 13 volts is too much. We're gonna inject 0.9 volts. And that should be fine. And let's see how much current do we have. Yeah, that should be fine. Actually, let's just increase the current a little bit. Oh no. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, now let's find a ground, a good ground. There are so many points, but the thing is I need something. Okay, so we have 350 milliamps. Let's check. Still have 400. Just increase the voltage. So 1 volt. I mean, nothing gets hot. Well, obviously we didn't take the heatsink out yet. Okay, I mean, it's not gonna be easy repair. Okay, give me a few moments. Let me take the board out. Okay. Oh, forgot the keyboard. So that's the key point. Just don't force anything to go out or to go in, because that means it's stuck either with a screw or with a cable. Okay, the board is out. Let's go ahead and first inspect. Let's just do the visual inspection. Oh, okay. I mean, I can see it already. Yeah, I already can see it. Yeah, can you see it here? That's a blown capacitor. Well, I'm happy it's a capacitor though. Nothing else. Okay, let's see. Where's my microscope? Here you go. Yeah, I can see it from, yeah. Well, I'm happy. That's a lucky customer here. Now, what caused this issue? I have no idea. And I don't care, honestly. Capacitors are built to be blown, so. As long as we know the issue, now we need to solve it. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this cap out and replace it. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the cap. I think it's welded already. And I really don't want to use too much heat on the board. So let's go ahead and first apply some low melt on both sides, because the NAND chips are here and I don't want to risk damaging them. And the other side. Yep, that's it. Okay, now let's verify if there is a short still or not. If the short is gone, I mean, hopefully, most likely that's it. Yeah, so no more shorts, and we are good to replace the cap and test. So as you can see, yep. Okay, let's go ahead and replace it. Now I'm not gonna use low melt. Now I need to remove the old solder. Okay. Now let's fix it. I don't want to put so much flux because I don't want to have to clean so many things. Okay, so that's good. And the other side. So visible. Okay, that's nice. Now let's go ahead and clean. Okay. So basically that's it. Now it's time to test. And the least fun part for me. Now let's test. Okay, so we have 5 volts, 20 volts, 500 milliamps, 1 amps, 2 amps, and let's see, do we have Apple logo? We have a charging sign. Okay, perfect. So basically, yeah, basically that was the issue. Okay, I mean, at this point I just need to charge it. I'm gonna put everything back together and contact the customer after I do the stress test, just to make sure everything is fine. Okay guys, so it was a bad cap in this case. It's a lucky case actually. I mean, sometimes it can go, it can be even worse. Lucky customer, right? Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.